Oh my god. Walking to school in this snowstorm is so freezing. Even our warm fur won't help us.
We agree, Lil'Petey. Even the fact that our winter clothes are missing. Where can they possibly be? Hopefully we won't. Oh no.
This is even worse. We got snow on us. This is so freezing.
When they got to school... Oh my god, that snowstorm was so freezing. I agree, Junior. At least things won't get worse. Because if it is get worse, then we know someone to blame for it.
Finally. Blame me to school.
Oh my goodness, are you guys okay? Did you guys tripped over some snow?
Yes, we did. We tripped over on a rock and we fell in a pile of snow. Even worse, our winter clothes are missing.
Oh, you guys tripped over a rock, fell in a pile of snow, and your winter clothes are missing? I wonder who could have stole them. It could be a thief. Yeah, it could be a thief. And as a matter of fact, I actually know all of this stuff. Teacher, you actually know who did this? That's right. It was this naughty little boy here. You know why? Well, so I saw him walk into the building, and he had their clothes on. That's right, I caught him with their winter clothes, and I was able to get him.
Well. Toad, you know what's going to happen.
I'm gonna be punished, get lunch detention, and get grounded. Am I right? Indeed you are, mister! I cannot believe you stole their winter clothes. Now you just made him trip over a pile of snow and come to school with snow all over their heads and tails. You are grounded for 100 million years. You will also receive extra homework and you will have lunch detention. You know the drill. Stay here and don't move. After the little incident...
Ah, that is much better. We have to agree, sis.
We will keep these on for the whole day and we hope these clothes will never get stolen ever again.